How to locate a phone. Safely and responsibly. Hey there. Have you ever misplaced your phone or needed to check on a family member's location with their permission? Today I'm sharing a safe, privacy-friendly, and legal method to locate a phone using a simple online tool. Let's get started. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always use tracking tools responsibly, only for devices you own or with explicit consent from the owner. Unauthorized use is against the law and violates privacy. Access the location tool. Open a web browser and visit a trusted phone location tool. Click the Start Now button to get started. Select the option for Current Location. Once you're on the site, choose the Current Location feature. Enter the phone number of the device you're tracking in the provided box. Wait for processing. After entering the number, the tool will process your request. This may take a few moments. Verification process. If it's your first time using the tool, you might need to verify your request. Complete a simple verification step by following the instructions provided. This could involve installing an app or performing a brief action. View the location on the map. Once verified, the phone's location will appear on a detailed map. You'll get precise information, including the area and nearby landmarks. When to use this method: to locate a misplaced or lost phone you own, to check on a loved one's location with their clear permission, for emergencies or personal security purposes. Tips for better security: use built-in tools like Find My Device, Android, or Find My iPhone, iOS, to track your phone more easily. Always ask for consent before locating someone else's device. Avoid sharing personal information on unverified websites or apps. That's it. A quick and simple guide to locating a phone safely and responsibly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tech tips. Got questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.